Welcome back to another learning video. In this video, we'll be discussing how to draw hyperbola by asymptote method. The question reads like this. Draw a rectangular hyperbola if a point on it is 70 mm and 85 mm from the asymptote. Now, in the question, it is not given from what asymptote it is 70 mm or from what asymptote it's 85 mm, but one thing given, it's a rectangular hyperbola. That means the angle between the asymptote is 90 degree. So let's start. First you draw a vertical line and name it OY, then a horizontal line, name it OX. So these two will act as two different asymptotes. Angle between them is 90 degree. Now we have to mark a point at a distance 70 mm and 85 mm from these asymptotes. So in order to do so, you draw a line parallel to OX at a distance 70 mm, and you draw another vertical line, or you can say you draw one vertical line parallel to OY at a distance 85 mm, and where they intersect, we'll mark this point P. Now we have finally marked the point P, which is at a distance 70 mm and 85 mm from the asymptotes OX and OY respectively. Now we have to take some points on the line PF. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can take as many points as you wish, and it is not necessary the distance between these points should be equal. They can be at any arbitrary distance. Similarly, we can take few more points on the line PG 6, 7, 8. Again, these points can be off at arbitrary distance. Now we have to connect these points to the origin O. So let's connect them with the origin O. Now where these lines intersect the line PH, we'll mark these points as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. We can repeat the similar procedure for points 6, 7 and 8 and find the points 6 dash, 7 dash and 8 dash on PE. Now what we have to do, we have to draw vertical lines from these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and horizontal lines from 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, like this. Vertical line from 1 and horizontal line from 1 dash. Where they meet, this point is P1. Repeat the same procedure for other points. So mark them P2, P3, P4 and P5. Similarly, repeat the procedure for 6, 7 and 8 points, and you will get P6, P7 and P8. Now we have found out the points which will lie on the hyperbola curve. We have to join these points P1 to P8 with a smooth curve by hand or by using a French curve. So this will give the required hyperbola. Hope you understood how to draw hyperbola by asymptote method. If this content helped you to understand how to draw hyperbola in asymptote method, please give it a thumbs up to this video and consider subscribing the channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.